Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Commerzbank app not working on your iPhone or Android. First, check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Weak internet can cause the app to stop working. Now, restart your device. This refreshes your system and fixes temporary glitches. Then, head over to your app store, search for the Commerce app, and then update the app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so tap update if available. Then go to your settings, tap apps and select the Commerzbank, tap storage and choose to clear cache. This only works for Android. After that, if it still does not work, long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the app store, search for the Commerzbank and then reinstall it again. Then after reinstalling, log in. That's how to fix the Commerzbank app not working. Like and subscribe for more quick fixes.